Welcome. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use Obkio to troubleshoot an internet issue on the internet service provider's end. We identified an issue when we received an alert from Obkio's app stating that there was packet loss problems the previous night, around 10 p.m. So, we'll use Obkio to identify where the problem occurred and what the cause is. To begin, log into Obkio's app and navigate to the dashboards to visualize your performance data. Once in the dashboards, you can select a time frame and go back 24 hours to see what happened around 10 p.m. the night before. In the dashboards, we can see around 10 p.m. that the network experienced about 15 to 16% packet loss on 2 tests in 2 destinations. The first is a test with a public monitoring agent deployed in Microsoft Azure. The other is with an agent deployed in AWS. We can now confirm that there was indeed a network performance problem at that time. Now that the time of the issue was confirmed, we need to identify where the problem happened in the network. To find out where this problem is located, let's look at the traceroute results for the monitoring agent called myAgent. To do that, first click on the Agents tab. Select myAgent, and then click on the button called Visual Traceroutes with Obkio Vision. Once you've opened Obkio Vision, our visual traceroute tool, use the arrows to select a time range. Since we know that the issue happened around 10 p.m. the night before, let's go back to then. We can see that the problem happened at 10 p.m. in the quality matrix based on the red color code. To dive deeper, first select the time range from the quality matrix. That'll select the same time range in the network map. Looking at the network map, we can see a performance issue between hops 4 and 5. To see traceroute results specifically, click on one of the circles from the quality matrix, which shows you 5 minutes of data from the Azure monitoring agent. By analyzing all these results, we can see a performance problem in hops 4 and 5, that is to say between these 2 IP addresses. There was approximately 3% packet loss over the 5-minute period we're analyzing. More specifically, the problem seems to be between 2 internet service providers, which we see as 2 AS numbers. Therefore, the interconnection between the internet network seems to be experiencing a congestion issue at this moment. The cause is therefore an internet problem located in 2 internet provider networks located further away from the internet. This is what caused the packet loss on the internet connections. The next step would therefore be to share the traceroute results and the dashboards we looked at previously with your internet service provider to prove that the issue is on their end, escalate the support case, and ensure that they resolve the problem quickly. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video helped you easily identify and troubleshoot your internet and ISP issue with Obkio.